How to see Reels history on Facebook. Now, let's say you want to see the Reels that you have watched or saved on the past. All you have to do in order for you to see the Reels history you have on your Facebook account is to go to your main menu right here and then scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. Once you locate that, you will be able to see under there that's Settings. And then after you tap on settings, you just have to scroll down until you locate your activity, where activity log is located. All you have to do is to tap on that and tap on your Facebook activity. Once you click on that, you just have to scroll down until you locate Reels right here. So all you have to do is to tap on the arrow down right here in order for you to see your Reels, the audios that you have saved, effects that you have saved, or clips that you have saved. Now, in order for you to see or view the Reels that you have saved or Reels that you have watched on your Facebook account, all you have to do is to tap on Manage Reels right here, and now you'll be able to see your Reels history. So that's how to see Reels history on Facebook. Hope it helped.